In today's episode, we are going to make hot ice and frap caramel macchiato using mocha pot. Hot caramel macchiato using my 2-cup Brita. Let's assemble our mocha pot. I like to wet my rubber gasket to make sure there are no leaks on the side. Place it at the bottom of the mocha pot. And I also like to use a paper filter. This is to make sure I get good crema. Into the basket, fill it with ground coffee. Fill the boiler with hot water just below the pressure valve. Place it on a hot plate and we are going to wait for it to brew. The brewing process should take about 4 minutes. Pour it straight into your serving cup, in this case 12-ounce paper cup. Add caramel syrup 2 to 3 pumps depending on your sweetness level. Place a thin milk foam on top. And pour the rest of the milk over. So it should be about half a cup of milk. Finish it off with more milk foam and some caramel sauce on top. Hot caramel macchiato in 12 ounces cup using 2-cup Brita. On to making our iced caramel macchiato and caramel macchiato frap. First, let's make my milk syrup. If you don't know why I'm making this, please check out the link above. This time I'm using 2 parts condensed milk and 1 part evaporated milk. So this is more like 100% sweetness level. Make sure they're well combined. Get a squeeze bottle for easy dispensing. And you have your milk syrup ready for use. Now let's get our 4-cup Brita and assemble it. Fill the basket with coffee beans. Grind medium to fine grind. I like to wet my rubber gasket before I place it at the base of my pot. This is to make sure that I don't get leaks when I brew my coffee. Also, I like to use paper filter to get more crema into my brew. Fill the boiler just below the pressure valve with hot water. Place the coffee basket on top. Lock the pot on. And place on the hot plate. For this brew, I used about 200 milliliters of hot water into the boiler, and I am expecting a yield of about 150 to 170 milliliters of brewed coffee, enough for 2 cups, 1 iced caramel macchiato and another caramel macchiato frap in 16 ounces. Let's make iced caramel macchiato. Into a measuring cup, pour the brewed coffee, add the milk, milk syrup, and 2 to 3 pumps of caramel syrup, depending on your sweetness preference. Make sure they are well combined. Fill your cup with ice. This time I am going to paint the wall of my cup with caramel sauce, just for decoration. Pour the coffee mix over. Now we are going to make our cold milk foam using the milk frother. Froth until you come up with a smooth, velvety texture of milk foam and place it on top of your drink. Finish it off with caramel sauce. And we have iced caramel macchiato in 16 ounces cup. Next, we're going to make caramel macchiato frap. Using the same brew, into a blender, put your brewed coffee, milk syrup, caramel syrup, and the frap base for a smoother blend of frap. Add the ice, blend for about a minute or so and make sure it is smooth. Pour it into your serving cup and top it up with whipped cream. Finish it off with sprinkles of caramel sauce. And we have our caramel macchiato frap using the mocha pot. Well, there you go, caramel macchiato using mocha pots. Not very difficult at all, so you don't need to invest in an expensive espresso machine to make these delicious drinks. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and stay tuned for the third episode in this series, that is caramel macchiato using instant coffee. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.